Hi, my name is Tim Henneman. I am the corporate training manager for Fairchild Equipment. I started here 12 years ago, working my way up from the tire press operator to a technician down at Kohler Company, and then into the training department for the last 5 years. I am reporting out of the Menominee Falls branch, but I also do travel to Green Bay and other locations to train our technicians. We also do and offer operator training on site or at our locations, and we also offer a train the trainer for our customers. One tip I would maybe give to our customers is to not only train the operators, but all other personnel that goes on the floor. About 50% of the accidents we see are between a pedestrian and a forklift. We need to make sure that everybody in the area is aware of what is going on the floor, not just the operator. As far as outside of work, I help out coaching my kids' baseball team, and then I also coach high school football for a small community where I live.